So hey guys, so this is something that I think every car should have, no matter what. It's a dash cam. Now, if you remember my Accord, I have this DD Pi Mini here. Well, it still works great, so of course I'm going to use it on this car. I like this one. It's inexpensive. This one costs about $45, I think. It's high def, works really good. I'm going to mount it way up under here. All I have to do is kind of clean the mounting surface off, put some double-sided tape. I like it has a speaker. Also has a spot where you put a memory card in, so you can hold a lot of videos on this thing. It does have a feature, if you want it to record while your car is off, it does that as well. You just have to hardwire it. You have to have constant power going to it. I don't do that. I usually garage my car, but this thing comes in handy. So I'm just gonna route the wire up through here, kind of go through this A-pillar here, see what I can do. I don't really want to take this off. There's an airbag underneath it. But I'm gonna route it kind of the same way the Accord, they kind of built the same. This is a Honda at the end of the day. So a lot of these panels feel the same. And then what I like is it has a plug here. I'm going to plug it right there, so I don't have to run it up on the console, which I like a lot. And just route it, and it's on the side here, and just kind of go up and around. You can do it however you like, but they're kind of all going to be the same. I'm doing this in a way where I don't have to remove body panels. But like I said, if you want to do more in depth, you can go all kinds of ways. Depends where you mount your dash cam at, but this is basically the way it's going to fit. Like I said, if you guys like this, I'll put a link in the description for the DD Pi Mini. This is a couple years old now, of course, so they have the more upgraded ones. I'll put a link for that as well. But if you don't want to break the bank, they work really good. They're high definition. Even at night, they work really good. So I got it installed. Here's how it looks. I like these two because they are small, so you can't really see them. And then the way I put it, when I'm sitting in the driver's seat, I can't even see it because it's behind the rearview mirror, which I like. It's out of the way. This one does rotate. So, I mean, not that it would be useful for me now, but if you had it lower, you could rotate it to look out the back window. But mine, if I did that, it would look at the back of the rearview mirror. But so there it is installed. What I did here, I'll show you where I routed it. So it routes up here. I tucked it in the headliner here. Now what I did, I just went to this A-pillar. If you could see it, it's the only thing I might change later, but it goes right in the A-pillar. I couldn't really go this way without taking it off. So it goes right in here, and then I just pulled it around the side here, and it goes all the way to the A-pillar, goes down, goes underneath the glove box. Turn the light on here. Underneath the glove box, and then snakes right in here and gets plugged in. So I'm happy with that. Like I said, it's very easy. I don't have to rip apart all this stuff. The only thing is you can see the wire right there going in the A-pillar. Now, if that bothers you, you can easily pull this A-pillar back and then go straight from the headliner down inside the A-pillar. I can't do that with it in place because there's not enough play in it. So you would have to pop that off. Not a big deal, but like I said, I don't really want to mess with it right now. But that's how it looks. Like I said, it's really small. So definitely, I would highly recommend getting a dash cam. I think you guys will really like it. Like I said, you don't know how useful they are until you're in an accident, something like that. You don't have to fight with somebody about it. You just pull the footage off your phone and you have proof there if it wasn't your fault. Like I said, this has an app it links to, and you can download everything. I just want to show you the quick install of it. I'll do another video coming up shortly on the footage. I'll take some footage with it and show you guys the awesome quality of this. Like I said, for $45, I think the new ones might be close to 60. Like I said, I think they have a DD Pi 3 now, I believe. But even so, I mean, you can spend $200-300 on one if you want. To me, this one does great. Like I said, it's high definition. It records sound. You can have it set up where it records around the clock even when your car is off. Has motion sensor, all that stuff it has for $45 or maybe $60 for the newest one now. But not expensive. Like I said, this thing has come in handy with so many times with my Accord. I definitely had to get it installed in this car. But let me know in the comment section if you guys are running one, when you guys running, has it helped you out in a situation? I'd love to hear it. Mine's definitely helped me out in a lot. So again, I'll have another video showing you all the nice footage of it at nighttime, in the daytime, all that kind of stuff, so you can get an idea how this one looks. So you don't have to break the bank if you don't really want to, but still be protected as well. So again, I appreciate all you guys. I do. Hope everyone's doing good out there, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, everybody.